Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. It is early a.m. Wednesday morning, few days from Acme, and as most of you know, the Acme Southern Nationals is my biggest and favorite show of the year, and had the cars packed up. As you know, I've got my shop cards, stickers, chips, everything ready to go. Had my shopping list already written out. Wasn't much on it, but I know there's always those treasures that we run across too. But had everything ready to go. But sadly, guys, we have had something arise of a personal nature that requires my presence elsewhere. I'm not going to try to say I'm not a little heartbroken. However, things in life sometimes take priority, and it's okay. It's okay. But I did want to let everybody know at the kind of last minute, we will not be there. Amanda's canceling our reservations and so forth this morning, sadly, but that's okay, like I said. I do want to wish everybody safe traveling mercies and Godspeed getting there and back, and without speeding, guys. But I want you to have fun. If you're going to this show, the Acme Boys put on a great show. If it's your first time there, it won't be your last. I can almost guarantee you, you're going to have a good time. I hate I'm going to miss it. I'm going to be with you in spirit, though. And content creators, I want to thank you in advance for the coverage that you're going to provide, so I don't have to miss out on anything. And so y'all enjoy the time and the fellowship most of all. Sorry I'm not going to get to meet a lot of you guys that I know were first timers there, but hopefully next year, or maybe at one of the other events coming up. Also, content creators or someone, if you would, at one of the tables where they always have the show flyers for upcoming shows next year, including the Acme Southern Nationals for next year's flyers. If any of that stuff is available, if you could scoop some up, I'll pay the postage to get them to me. I would really appreciate that. And let's see, I think that's about it, guys. Again, safe traveling, enjoy yourself, have fun. Content creators, get me some good footage. I got to see it. I'll be there in spirit, like I said, with you guys. All right, guys, that's it. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.